So when we first got the bus, there were a couple of things that were already wrong with it. One was the fuel sending unit, so my fuel gauge wasn't working, and two, the gauges in the dash were all kicking in and out. There was no backlight, so I ended up taking the instrument panel out, which is right here. And after watching some YouTube videos, we noticed that you could resolder the main connection pin, which was super useful. I took the panel out, resoldered those connections, put the panel back in. Now everything works. I also bought a new fuel sending unit and put that in the tank. That happens to be the center console area right here. This one. You pull this patch off and there's several screws holding the fuel sending unit into the top of the tank. And that's just two wires that you cut, splice, and reconnect. And that made our fuel gauge work again. So now we have a full working instrument panel. We're also at the point now where we have insulated the floor of the bus and need to get plywood. We're going to go with a 3/4 sub floor that interlocks, and we'll screw that all down. Should take about 7 sheets is what I'm figuring. Maybe a little more, including the stairs. So you've been caught up as to things going on in the bus. I am now working on the radio to try to get that up and running. They had taken the radio out. We also have an internal and external PA system right here. And I'm working on the driver's side defrost and heat controls. We deleted the heaters in the bus, the one in the back of the bus and the one in the middle section. And we're going to end up repiping that to the front so that the dash still works for the driver and heat up front for the driver. Considering there's a booster pump that allows the warm antifreeze to run to the front of the bus, it should make it very helpful. So hopefully we have a good time. We're also getting a diesel pump heater to run off of the diesel in the bus to heat the bus when we're not running it. That should keep us plenty warm. Hope you enjoyed the video.